Hey, it was a surprise when I got to know that you're moving on from Allstate. You are one of the best managers that I've ever worked with until now. You've always been helpful to me, whether it's personal or professional. I wish you all the best for your upcoming journey. Let's meet together when things get better. Bye.
Hey, hi Didi. So I heard that you're living all state. So yeah, all the best for your future. I don't have very much to say, but you are like really the rock star that every office needs. You are the super worker that every company wants. You are the deal maker that every corporation would die for. And it's like when I joined Allstate, you made me feel like I'm the part of the family from the very first day. And thanks for making my like work life a whole lot easier. And it's like I would like to say one thing. It's like you have redefined the way the bosses are perceived in this corporate culture. So it's like you have replaced the words that mostly people use, like fear and power, with the words like encouragement and respect. So yeah, you are the best manager with whom I've worked on. And it's like your future co-workers has literally no idea what they're in for. They are very lucky that they will get a chance to work with you, and I hope you find success in your future. And yeah, all the best.
Hi Didi, hope you are having a good time. It was a great working with you in the Allstate. I learned a lot of things from you, and I came to know that you are leaving Allstate. All the best for your future. Stay in touch.
Hi Didi, congratulations on your new move. There's a saying that to reach somewhere you have to leave some place, and I think it's a best timed move from your side. I guess all of us would agree that you have been an amazing mentor and a true leader in all sense. Personally, I have never seen better code reviews than what you do. So thank you for being such a support system for all of us. I wish you all the best for Freedemi as well as for your next endeavors. And I know you will always rock as you always do. Thank you.
Thanks Ravi for reaching out to me about this video. And hello Didi. Hi. So I can remember like 2 years ago when I joined the CSS team, you gave me a very warm welcome, and now it's time for me to give a warm farewell from CSS to you. You meant a lot to CSS team, and I'm sure the whole team will miss you. But I would like to talk about how much you influenced me in the team, and how and what are the things that I gained from you. First of all, you are a very pleasant person. You are very calm. You keep your calm. You keep your thinking. Whenever we have a problem, first thing is don't panic. That's what you tell. So you keep calm and do the thinking first, and then you take a approach and you don't panic. That's something I observed in many occasions with you, and I will miss those talks. You tell about a lot of things during our deployment calls. We learn many things, both technically and professionally as well as personally. So you have that interest to keep giving new things to us juniors, to you. And also I really find it interesting that the way you encourage other people to get equal opportunities and grow in life. For example, the group Happy Coding, that's a good forum where people of one kind, that's a good opportunity for the people like us. So that's something I really appreciate. So these kind of things, you believe you must contribute in one way or another, and I really like that about you, Didi. And there's definitely no doubt the team will miss you. But yeah, But the team would do great because you taught many good things, and surely the team will do great. And of course, all the best and good luck, Didi. Take care.
Hope you are doing good. I have a short farewell message for you. As the name indicates, D stands for dedication and D stands for determined. You are a determined and dedicated leader, I would say. So you are a wonderful human being. That's what I wanted to say here, and an exceptional leader. The way you were handling the team as a cool captain, you were driving a lot of things, and you were one of the pillars for our CSS team. So you helped me to experience a great work culture and also the work attitude which you had already built in the team. So I am very happy to be part of this very well talented team. So that could be the reason, I started loving to work in this team. And then the knowledge you had, and the dedication you had, and the way you were motivating the people, recognizing the people, managing the conflicts, decision making, all those things which helped me and a few others in the team to grow professionally. So there are a lot of things which I really learned. This is a great experience for me for the first time. More than a manager, you were a leader who helped in, you helped everyone to grow, being the fresher, for them to have the space to learn new things, and for the experienced, you help them to upskill, encourage them on a timely manner, and take up a lot of ownership. So thank you, Didi, for everything. I know that you are chasing your dream, and also it's time for you to take up the new challenge. I wish you all the very best and all the good luck in your future endeavors. One thing I would want to say is, wherever you go and whichever team you lead, they are the most luckiest and the happiest team to have you as a leader. So I know that for the Freedom is one of the a great initiative by you. So it helps the society. That's one of the commendable thing which you have done, Didi. And your path is really good, inspirational. So I would like to keep in touch with you, Didi. So all the very best again. So I would connect with you offline as well if I would need some guidance or anything on the inspiration. I would definitely like to speak to you, Didi. All the very best. Wish you a great success in your career as well as in your personal front. Thank you, Didi. Bye.
Hi, Didi. Even though you are leaving CSS, I'm not feeling that bad. Rather than I'm quite happy because I at least got an opportunity to work under someone like you. Maybe we were together like a short span, maybe 1 year, but in that span I have learned whatever I could from you. While coming to you, I would say, definitely you are an all-rounder, be it managing or development or teaching. You nail all those three. More importantly, you care about your teammates, and you let your teammates grow along with you, because I have seen so many times from you, whenever you learn something, you don't hesitate to share with us. Maybe whatever maybe it is, even though it is such a small thing, you would let others know, it can be helpful. I really like that attitude. Definitely losing you is a big minus to CSS, but I'm happy for you. Hope you will be good at your upcoming position, and I know you will definitely will do good. In future also I look forward to work under you. Thank you, Dave, for your dedication to CSS and everything. Thank you. Bye bye. We'll meet you again.
Hey, hi Didi. I would like to take this occasion to go through the journey that we were in where we were in together. We started off in 2015. हम लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया था, एंड देन मुझे याद है हम लोग जब सब सारे पेपर साइन कर रहे थे अकाउंट्स के और इस सारी चीज़ों के ऑन द डे ऑफ आवर जॉइनिंग, यू इंट्रोड्यूस्ड योरसेल्फ एज डीडी. आई थॉट लाइक मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी मुझे डीडी ही बुलाते हैं, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि भाई ये कौन सा डीडी आ गया नया. देन आपको डीडी कॉल करने लगे थे लोग और मुझे देव बुलाने लगे. सो that was how we met the first day in Allstates. Then we started off in CSS. आपने मेरे पे भरोसा करके संडे स्काई करके एक प्रोजेक्ट था, मुझे सिंगल हैंडेडली VB.NET से C#.NET में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए दिया था. दैट वाज अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस. अपनी CSS की टीम तो गजब है. द फर्स्ट टीम मेरे करियर में जो फर्स्ट टीम है वो मेरे सिनेक्रॉन की टीम है नेक्स्टश्योर. बहुत बड़ी टीम थी एंड हमारा बहुत अच्छा तालमेल बैठ चुका था एक दूसरे के साथ. द सेकेंड टीम इज़ दिस वन, CSS. लोग बहुत ही बढ़िया थे एंड द लीडरशिप इन टर्म्स ऑफ यू इज़ वेरी गुड, वॉज वेरी गुड. इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ द कल्चर दैट यू हैव इनकल्केटेड इनसाइड द CSS टीम. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था. हमने बहुत एंजॉय किया, सीखा भी साथ में. बैंगलोर डेज आर रियली वंडरफुल. हम लोग शायद 15 or 17 डेज थे वहाँ पे in Bangalore in the start of our career in Allstate. हम सारे थे. मोहित joined us there in Allstate from Infosys. Raviraj, Rajaji rather, Bhau, you and me, we joined from Pune. That was a really nice time that we spent together. We went to Banerghatta and all. We had fun. Nagarjuna was good. Nagarjuna Suits where we used to stay. फिर CSS के जर्नी में बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. लाइक C#.NET तो पहले से ही आता था, बट Allstate में कैसे यूज़ होता है, ऐसी फ्रेमवर्क क्या है, ये सब आपने सीखा है बिकॉज यू आर द मास्टर ऑफ इट बीइंग इन Accenture. तो उसकी काफ़ी हेल्प हुई. एक चीज़ हमारे में ज़्यादा इनकलकेट हुई, वो थी द फ्रेंडशिप, द बॉन्ड दैट द एंटायर टीम शेयर्ड. वी लाफ टुगेदर. We had different production issues together. We solved them together. और अपना बहुत अच्छा बॉन्ड बन चुका था. देन ऐसा करते करते हमने 2015 में ज्वाइन किया था. देन 2016 1.5 साल लगभग हो गया था, 1.5 साल. एंड यू गेव मी द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू डू द टेस्ट, कंपोज का टेस्ट. यस, इंटरनल जॉब पोस्टिंग जैसा ही था, कंपोज का टेस्ट देना था. एंड देन आई मूव्ड आउट ऑफ, आई पास द टेस्ट एंड आई मूव्ड आउट ऑफ CSS टीम to join the Compose in Allstate. That was a trending thing. I had to work on multiple open source platforms and pair programming, TDD, everything else, which was the new stuff in the market. So thanks for giving me that chance. It actually gave me a huge advantage when I left Allstate and I joined Axis with the same kind of technologies, same kind of XP principles, TDD, pair programming, everything. Rather, I worked with ThoughtWorks with these principles. लोग इस तरीके के लोग कम मिलते हैं मार्केट में, सो मुझे वो चीज़ की बहुत हेल्प हुई. थैंक्स टू यू फॉर गिविंग मी द अपॉर्चुनिटी. एंड आपने, मुझे याद है जब मैं मूव आउट कर रहा था तो आपने अनाउंस किया था कि वी हैव 100% रिजल्ट फ्रॉम CSS. That is me being selected as a Compose developer from CSS Pune. And that is because of you. You gave me the chance and you trust me, you believed in me, and I could do that. Apart from that, I always cherish the moments spent with you and the team as the good friends, good people, good human being rather you are. Not only solving the technical or the work problems that we had in Allstate, but also the personal problems I used to discuss with you. sometimes I would have a tough time. I would be able. I used to discuss with you those things, and then मुझे अच्छा लगता था आपके साथ शेयर करके, बिकॉज आपका कहना ये होता था कि कभी भी प्रॉब्लम को वैसे ही लटका के मत रखो, ट्राई टू सॉल्व देम एज अर्ली एज यू कैन. सो दैट फिलोसफी आई स्टिल कैरी फॉरवर्ड कि प्रॉब्लम्स को प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट मत करो, उसको जितना जल्दी हो सके सॉल्व करते जाओ. ये आपसे सीखा, भाऊ से भी सीखा, रवि से भी सीखा और मोहित से भी सीखा, सबसे सीखा. एंड देन टीम वॉज वंडरफुल. आई डोंट नो, आफ्टर आई लेफ्ट आई थिंक Raviraj went to US, Mohit left Allstate, and then Bhau, you and I think Chandrakar, Swati is there. I don't know who are there in CSS, but CSS without DD is very much incomplete. That is the formula, like CSS with DD has to be there, but since you are moving out, I don't know where you will be. I hope you are in Allstate. You are not leaving Allstate. That's what I hope. And पता नहीं अभी हम लोग कब मिलेंगे, क्या होगा, कैसे होगा. I have no idea. But the parties that we used to have in Allstate, biryani parties, the parties at your home, your hospitality, everything was such a wonderful thing. I had really good time being with you guys and when I was in Allstate. एक आपने गलत चीज़ करी है, बहुत गलत चीज़ करी है, वो कि हर लंच के बाद कुछ स्वीट लाते थे आप, गुलाब जामुन हो, रसगुल्ला हो या जो भी हो. मुझे वो लग गई, अभी वो जा नहीं रही है किसी भी चीज़ हालत में. इसका उपाय भी अभी आप बताओ कैसे छुड़वाए. कुछ ना कुछ मीठा लग ही जाता है खाने को आफ्टर द लंच और डिनर, मोस्टली आफ्टर द लंच, बिकॉज यू यूज्ड टू कैरी दोज स्वीट्स टू लंच इन द ऑफिस. अभी बताओ ये कैसे छोड़ाने का है, व्हाट टू डू इन